Welcome to ZeroThreat. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to integrate your CI/CD pipeline with ZeroThreat using GitHub Actions. Before getting started, make sure your target is verified on the ZeroThreat platform and that you have a basic understanding of GitHub Actions. Begin by navigating to the Target section and clicking the Continuous Integration button. This will open the configuration drawer for CI/CD settings. Click on Add GitHub Actions Integration and confirm. Once done, a unique ZT token will be generated for your project. Now select the scan profile and select a login template if required, which will be used for authenticated scanning. Next, click on the GitHub Actions icon, which will take you directly to the GitHub Actions marketplace. Open your GitHub repository in a new tab. Go to the Actions tab and click New Workflow. Select the Simple Workflow template provided by GitHub and give your workflow file a clear and descriptive name. Now, start with setting up the ZeroThreat GitHub action from the Marketplace page. Next, set up the inputs needed by the ZeroThreat GitHub action. First, add the ZT token. This is the token generated earlier in ZeroThreat. It's advised to save it as a secret in your GitHub repository for security. Second, set the Wait for Analysis input to either true or false. If it's set to true, the action will keep polling every 5 minutes until the scan is completed, and the pipeline action will keep running till the scan is over. By default it is set to false, the scan will be triggered and the workflow will end immediately. To add the token securely, go to your GitHub repository settings, click on Security, then Secrets and Variables, and under the Actions tab, add a new repository secret. Name it ZT token and paste the value from ZeroThreat. Click Add Secret to save it. With everything in place, your CI/CD integration is now ready. Since we're using manual triggering for this tutorial, go to the Actions tab, select your new workflow, and click Run Workflow. The GitHub action will start in a few seconds, triggering the ZeroThreat scan. You can check and monitor the scan and its progress from the dashboard in ZeroThreat portal. And that's it, ZeroThreat is now integrated into your pipeline. Beyond this example, you can also tailor the integration to run automatically on push, pull requests, or any other event supported by GitHub Actions.